To install a VPN app on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. Now in here we can tap on the search option at the bottom of the screen, then we can use the search field at the top. And now in here you can either just type VPN, or if you know the name of a specific VPN app that you wish to get on your phone, then of course you can search for it in here. And then of course we should be able to try to find whichever VPN app you want to use. I encourage you to try any of these, so I'm gonna use this one in this example, but like I said, feel free to try anything. If you don't like this one, or it doesn't meet your requirements, then of course you can try anything else. Most of these VPN apps are free, or they have like a free plan, so you should be able to use them without having to pay for anything. But of course they also offer premium features as well. For example, in this case, if we open the app, of course we need to set it up, but in this case we can use the app without any account, so we can just continue as a guest. There we go. Then we can find the premium offer as I mentioned, but I'm just gonna tap on Not Now in here. And then you should be able to connect to a server. Now in this specific app, we can connect to a random free server. And of course, if you get like a premium version or something, then you can choose whichever country you want to connect to, and so on and so forth. So that's up to you if you want to do that. Make sure to check out settings, because sometimes you can find some useful options in there that might allow you to adjust the app and make it work as you want it to work. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.